Hey, we got this 2008 RAV4, it's a 30 series that needs a front strut replacement. It's a pretty easy job, and just while we're quickly doing one, I just thought I'd show you how to do it. Pretty straightforward. So easier if you get them up in the air, get the wheel off them, and so once the wheel's off, basically you just drop the link pin, which lives, well, up in there. No need to pull the brakes or anything like that off. Drop that little bracket assembly off there that holds the brake lines and the ABS sensors, and pop these couple of big bolts here to allow you to pull the whole strut out. Now you've also got to get up the top here. Up the top here, there's those 3 bolts on the top. You just pop those off and the whole strut falls out. Very quick and easy job. In this case, what we were replacing it for was because this one is the strut top. It had a clunk. It had a clunk in the front end when it was driving. So this item lives on there like that. So this is the new part. Well, it was from a wrecker, but not the old one. So you buy the whole strut. We just undid that main bolt through there, which attaches to the end of that. And this whole top piece falls off. Now you should use a spring compressor to compress the spring, otherwise it's going to fly apart on you. So when you've got a clunk in them, it could be this bump stopper thing there, or in this case it was that. You can see how there's bits and pieces of this rubber missing there. So this is in the shock top. That's actually a bearing in there that allows the wheels and the struts to turn as you're driving along. But that was the old part. We took the strut top off this one and fitted it to the new one. That was a really, really cheap repair to get a pretty heavy clunk out of the front end of this RAV4. So all in all, these RAVs are pretty reliable cars. We don't have much trouble with them at all. The troubles that we do have with them are pretty easily repaired like this. Just a quick and easy parts replacement. There you see the wheels going back on there. I would say this job's probably taken 15-20 minutes in total once you got the parts there up on the hoist ready to go. Thanks for watching.